Losing weight involves a combination of a balanced and nutritious diet, regular physical activity, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Here are some general guidelines on what to eat when trying to lose weight. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Choose whole fruits instead of fruit juices for added fiber. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat over refined grains. Whole grains provide more fiber and nutrients. Include lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, tofu, legumes, beans, and low-fat dairy products. Protein helps you feel full and supports muscle maintenance. Choose sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Limit saturated and trans fats found in fried foods and processed snacks. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Using smaller plates can help control portion sizes. Reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and sweetened beverages. These often contribute empty calories and can lead to weight gain. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes the body can confuse thirst with hunger. Eat regular balanced meals and include healthy snacks if needed. This helps maintain steady energy levels and prevents overeating during main meals. Pay attention to what and how much you eat. Avoid distractions such as watching TV while eating. This can help you recognize when you're full. Combine a healthy diet with regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with strength training exercises. Ensure you get enough quality sleep. Lack of sleep can affect hormones that regulate hunger and contribute to weight gain. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and goals.